Om Vakrtunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Viva Sampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara-samamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat Krishnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha Vakyakaram vararuchim bhashyakaram patanjalim paninim sutrakarancha pranatosmi munitrayam. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastama Vidvishavahe. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. We have completed pulling Shatru. Shatru Pullinga Pratipadikam. Now Shatranta Srilinga. Shatranta Pullinga done. Srilinga, while discussing Srilinga, we saw Abhyasta. Abhyasta is the Anga, name of the Anga. Abhyasta is nothing but Anga only. Angasya. Nama. Abhyasta Anga. Abhyasta is that which is, that reduplicated. It's called Abhyasta. The reduplication happens for lit lakara, for all the dhatus, okay, all the dhatus of the all the gana. So lit lakara, you will see the reduplication that abhyasta happened. Abhyasta for lit lakara, for sananta, desiderative, like mumukshu, mumuksha, bubukshu, bubutsu, chikirshu, kartum icha, duplication. Trudhatu gets duplicated and the form will become Chikesha, then Jignasa, Gnatamicha, Atato Brahma Jignasa, Brahma Sutra, first Sutra, Jignasa, Gnatukicha. All these are Sananta, San Pratyanta. So San is another Pratyaya. Litlakara Pratyaya can cause this duplication or reduplication, whatever it is. Litlakara can cause, San can cause, there's another Pratyaya, Yang can cause. So not only that Litlakara just as an example I give in last class, like Papata, Jagama, etc. Other pratyas, they will cause and they will, we will see it whenever the context comes. San pratyas, in fact, San pratyaya I'm teaching to advanced students. More than 35 classes over, it's a long one. So Sananta and Yang pratyas. Yang is another pratyaya, frequentative. Something which is done frequently or intensely. So that Yang pratyas are used, which when we add to a dhatu, reduplication happens. Okay. So now here Shatranta. Shatra being a Sarvadhatika pratyaya. So therefore Gana Vikarna will come. So like Tinganta, Ting Rupam. Tip pratyaya, when you add Gana Vikarna will come. Similarly here, Shatra Pratyaya, when you add, Gana Vikarna will come. So therefore, it is same. The steps are same as that of the Tinganta. At Pat plus Shap plus Tip. Tip you replace by Shatru. Pat plus Shap plus Shatru. Patat you get. Similarly here also. Dadati Kriyapadam. Dadati Dattahad Dadati. Dhatu is Da. Da plus Shap plus Tip Pratyaya. Shap will become look, means Shlu. So means Lopaha. Shap will become Lopaha and deduplication happens. Dada, Dad, Dada, then Dada plus T, Dadati. So like that you get. Now Tip is replaced by Shatru. So Da plus Ganavikarna Shap plus Shatru. So you get Dadat. So therefore, third Gana conjugation we have seen, they undergo duplication. That is the specialty of the third conjugation. Third conjugation Dhatus, they undergo duplication in Lat Lakara. Not only Lat Lakara, in fact all the Lakaras. So Lat Lakara Rupam Dadati, Dattaha Dadati, iti Rupam. Sorry, Dadati, Dattaha Dadati. Sorry. Dadati is Ekavacham. Dadati is Bhagavacham. Dadati, Dattaha, Dadati. So third conjugation, therefore, with regard to the Shatra Pratyaya, the Anga enjoys Abhyasta Sanya. That is why it is put under Abhyasta. And 7 conjugations of the second Gana, they enjoy Abhyasta Sanya naturally without undergoing any reduplication. Jagrata, Rakshata. Jagrata is Jagrata plus Pratyaya. So with regard to Pratyaya, the Jagrata, the Anga enjoys Abhyasta Sanya. So 7 dhatus of the second conjugation and the third conjugation, therefore they come under Abhyasta. What about the rest? They're all Anabhyasta. Na Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. Anabhyasta Anga followed by Shatra Pratyaya. So Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. Abhyasta Anga. Anabhyasta Anga. For these dhatus, third Gana and 7 dhatus of the second Gana, the Anga enjoys Abhyasta Sanya with regard to the Pratyaya. Other Gana, they do not enjoy Abhyasta Sanya. Now, why do we discuss Abhyasta and Abhyasta? Why? Because if it is Abhyasta, there is no question of Num coming. Therefore, there is no Num. Only in case of Anabhyasta, there is Num. That also, now, among the 1, 4, 6, 10, 1, 4, 6, 10, these are the Adantanga, Anabhyasta. 1, 4, 10 will get Num in the Pratipadikam. You know that the getting Num is a must, it's a mandatory. Whereas 4th Gana, it is.
6th Gana.
Sorry, 6th Gana, it is optional. So we have 2 forms. What about the other Gana, which is Anabhyasta? They are not Adanta. Therefore, there is no Num. Okay, there is no Num. This is what we have summarized in the last class. You can see my points. Shatranta Shailinga Pratipadikam. How do you derive Shatranta Shailinga Pratipadikam? But the format, you have seen. Format is Dhatu plus Shatra plus Ni. Shatra being a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is added to a Dhatu, what will happen? Remember,
Comes.
yes. Shatra being a Shit Pratyaya, Shit being a Sarvadhatuka. Therefore, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is added to a Dhatu, Ganavikarna will come. So don't think Ganavikarna only for Tinganta. Tinganta, that Tip Pratyaya, Devadi Pratyaya, when you add to the Dhatu, Ganavikarna comes. So the rule is, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is added to a Dhatu, the Dhatu will bring in corresponding Ganavikarna. And Ganavikarna also being a Pratyaya comes after the Dhatu. That is why we say Ganavikarna walks in between. Okay. So this is the format. So Dhatu plus Shatra plus Pratyaya. Srilinga Pratyaya, Ni Pratyaya. Okay. Now this Dhatu plus Ganavikarna, both when you add. So if it ends with Adanta, that happens for only for 1, 4, 6, 10, right? First Gana, because first Gana is Shap, 6th Gana is Sha, and 4th Gana is Shya, Shen. So the Anga will be ending with Akara, Adanta Anga. So this Adanta Anga, This Adantanga, that is Shatru Pratyaya preceded by this Adantanga when followed by Nip Pratyaya will get Num. So 1, 4, 6, 10 will get Num. Among the 1, 4, 6, 10, 1, 4, 10 will get Num. Must. Whereas fourth Gana, you have a choice. Sorry, again I'm saying sixth Gana, Shamita. Sixth Gana, we have a choice. That is when the Anga is Adantanga, that is sixth Gana, Shatru Pratyaya will get Num optionally and followed by the Srilinga Pratyaya. This is a format. So maybe each Gana, I think I have given example. That probably I can write also. Yeah. The format I will write, you will learn this time. So example. So here if you see Kad Dhatu. So Kad Dhatu, Bhavadigana Dhatu. So here if you see the format. So Kad Dhatu, the format is I don't have to write. So Kad plus Shap plus Shatru plus Neep. So this is Kad plus Shap, this is Adantanga. So therefore, for the 1, 4, 6, 10, that is Adanta Anga followed by Shatru, followed by the Srilinga Pratyaya, Neep. Shatru will get Num. This is the rule, general rule. They will put it some before. Get Num. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana. Here you can see Shatranta Srilinga Pradipadikam will get Num. The Dhatu belongs to 1, 4, 6, 10. That is here. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana will become, that is Adantanga. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana being, for the first Gana it is Shap, for the fourth Gana it is Shen, and 10th Gana again it will Shap only after adding Nich, right? So the Anga will become Adantanga. So Adantanga plus this Shatru plus Ni. So here also let me put it as Shatru. So Adantanga followed by Shatru. Other Antanga will not get Num. Shatru only will get Num. So Shatru is nothing but Atu. So this Atu will get Master. Become Ant. Getting Num. This Num is a must. Because this Adantanga, here Adantanga meaning 1, 4, 10. The same way for the sixth Gana. Where the Gana Vikarana is A. So Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana. So this is Adantanga. So this is Adantanga. We write Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana being Sha and Shatru followed by the Pratyaya Neep. And Dhatu plus Sha brings in Gana Vikarana. Yes, Sha is Gana Vikarana. Then Dhatu plus Sha. That is forms the Anga, and Anga will be naturally ending with Adanta Anga. And we can say this is Anabhyasta. There is no Abhyas. It doesn't get Abhyasta Sanya, right? Anabhyasta Adanta Anga, followed by Shatru, followed by the Srilinga Pratyaya. We're converting into Srilinga. Then after that, what will happen? This is a format. And here Num
Abhyasta,
coming.
Guruji.
Sorry?
This is not Anabhyasta. This is Abhyasta.
This is Anabhyasta, not Abhyasta. Abhyasta means duplication. Your duplication happens. Huh?
Okay. All right.
So without Num is one format. With Num is with Num without Num. Okay, this is with Num. With Num 1, Pratipadikam without another Pratipadikam. So here also Adantanga, and Adantanga happens to be Anabhyasta Adantanga.
Mhm.
Not like that also, right? Anyway, understand? So Adantanga
Guruji,
plus yes.
Guruji, one doubt, Guruji. For seventh Gana also it is ending with Adantanga only. So
How it is?
seventh Gana is Shtam, right? So
Tam doesn't come after the dhatu, it comes in the dhatu.
In the middle.
oh, okay.
It is considered to be the dhatu only, but it acts like an agama.
Okay. Okay, got it.
So therefore 1, 4, 6, 10 for sixth conjugation. So therefore you can see Adantanga. Okay. And since we classified that into already I mentioned what is Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. Therefore, since we know the Abhyasta, Anabhyasta classification, to be more precise, if you want to write like that, also possible. You can write, you can say this Adantanga is Anabhyasta Adantanga. Maybe after this I will write, after the summarizing these points. Therefore, Shatru following the Adantanga will get known when following Prataya. Since the Angas of 1, 4, 6, and 10 are Adanta with regard to Shatru, therefore, Nit Prataya following Shatru will bring in Numagama. Okay. And for Anadanta Anga is 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, yeah, 2, not 10, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. That is the Dhatus, excepting Jugatya, the third Gana, and 7 Dhatus. 7 Dhatus are the Adadigan. They are all Anadanta Anga. They will form Anadanta Anga when with regard to the Shatru Pratyaya. They will not bring Numagama. Okay. So I will, with respect to, from the perspective of Abhyasta, I will write this is from the perspective of Abhyasta. You can say that same thing. That is this Adantanga, what we say, you can say it is Anabhyasta Adantanga plus Anta plus me. You can know. What we say Abhyasta Adanta is not, it is Anabhyasta Adantanga. 1, 4, 6, 10. From the perspective of Abhyasta, not Abhyasya, Abhyasta. From the perspective of Abhyasta, for first, fourth, and 10th conjugation. This is. Then for the sixth Gana, or sixth conjugation. So here we have, this is one possibility. It is with no agam. Second one, without Anabhyastanga plus Anabhyastadantanga plus At plus me. This is without nom. Okay, this is Adantanga. Anabhyasta Adantanga. Anabhyasta Adantanga 1, 4, 10 is one category, and 6 is another category. And anabhyasta, anadantanga. What about the rest? For the remaining, for other ganas, this is another format I'm writing.
No, no, Magam.
Yeah. From the perspective of abhyasta, for the other conjugations, for the other conjugation, from the perspective of anabhyasta, if we write anabhyasta, that would be proper. Anabhyasta, there also. So there it would be anabhyasta, anadanta anga. The anga is not the adanta. So anabhyasta, anadanta anga followed by shatra. The shatra whose content is at will not get num. So there is only one. There is no num. This is for the other conjugation. Other conjugation 2, 3. I mean, not 2. Of course, 3 except the sound dhatus. Now, next one is, so 4 divisions. From the perspective of abhyasta, for the third conjugation, the sound dhatus or the second conjugation, which naturally enjoy abhyasta sign. Sound dhatus of the second conjugation, adadi, gana. So where it is adantanga or anadantanga, they are anadantanga only. Okay. Anadantanga, but they enjoy what signya? Abhyasta. So
Yes.
abhyasta, anadanta anga plus at plus nip. So here, what will happen? Here also
No,
no no.
No, no.
So no numagama. That is common. Common for the previous one and this. No numagama. So let me name like this is A. This is B. The chart is written in the form of a words. That's it. This is C. You can refer to with this name ABCD, the chart classification.
Hmm.
So this is a summary.
Yeah.
One more summary. This is already summary is there. So this what you say for dhatus, I mean we have classification classified into 4. So the 4 categories. 4 category classification. 4 category classification. It's also summary. 4 category classification. So this is 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. The examples are given that we can see. So coming back to the chart here, if you see the chart now. The first category, what I wrote was 1, 4, 10. The second category is this. Third category is this. Fourth category is this. So this and this, there is no difference.
Hmm.
Between this and this, there is no difference. Only thing is sixth conjugation will get optionally.
Hmm.
So this is understood. Then Srilinga, Pratham the Srilinga, Rupani is done. So now let us see the examples. We are reading, in, I think, from this Rashtriya Saṃskṛtam. Some exercise, abhyasa. Let us read. The last class, I think we started. Now more examples are given, and we will see. In my notes, there are no examples because the examples are here. And we can see, we can also read Shatrashanaj Manjari, Saṃskṛta Bharati book later. Okay, now here you can see the Srilinga, Shatranta Srilinga Rupam. By seeing the Rupam, we can tell the Pratipadikam and how it comes also. You can tell that is the that is the Dhatu, which kind of Dhatu, and what Anga, Adhyasta, Anadhyasta, Adanta, Anadanta. So Anga is, you can note, it can be classified for our for convenience. Adanta, Anadanta classification, the another Adanta, Anadanta classification, one type of classification we do. That classification is done. In fact, if you remember, this Adanta, Anadanta classification we did for the sake of this. To take Atmanepadi form, the original form, original pratyaya is ta atamja, right? Ta atamja, ta satamdam, it will be making for tingantam. So for adantanga, what will happen? That is 1 4 6 10. This atam, this a is replaced by e. So therefore, if you see the latlakara pratyaya, te ate becomes ite. A is replaced by e. Not only here, with regard to all the lakaras, it will change. That's why I have written here. For adantanga, it will be ite, ite. Then what about ate? It is for non-adantanga, anadantanga. So this classification, adantanga, anadantanga, is useful for tinganta. And the classification abhyasta, anabhyasta is useful for shatranta, Srilinga. So therefore, we mix up both. So abhyasta, adantanga, abhyasta,
Anadantanga.
that's why abhyasta adantanga. Is there any abhyasta adantanga? No, sorry. We have anabhyasta adantanga, anabhyasta anadantanga, and we have abhyasta anadantanga. So we have the classification you can see. Anabhyasta adantanga and anabhyasta anadantanga, that is the sixth conjugation. Then we have anabhyasta anadantanga. There is no abhyasta adantanga, abhyasta anadantanga only. Because abhyasta, when we say reduplication, it happens only for the third conjugation and seven others of the second conjugation. They are not adanta. So they have to be anadanta only. Understand? So anadanta, when we say, it refers to the conjugations other than 1 4 6 10. Other than 1 4 6 10, it means 2 3 5 7 8 9. Among them also, second that gana, the seven dhatus, and third gana, they enjoy abhyasta. So they are abhyasta anadanta. That is what is written here. What about the rest? The rest, that is one, that is two. That is second conjugation, the remaining dhatus, then 5 7 8 9. They are anabhyasta and anadanta. So that is the third category C. Okay. I mean, I have written more elaborately. Maybe more elaboration sometimes confuses. So better you understand, right? That is fine. This is all more elaboration. Better not to elaborate so much. So once you understand, it's fine. So now we will move on. This much elaboration, I think it is not required. Then more elaborately. Anyway, for your understanding, so you know what is abhyasta, anabhyasta. So if I ask you, you should be able to tell. Seventh conjugation, adanta or anadanta?
Anadanta.
Adanta, anadanta means we are talking about anga. Anga is with regard to what? The pratyaya. What pratyaya? Shatra pratyaya. Important. Shatra pratyaya, ting pratyaya. Here the context is shatra pratyaya, that was shatra pratyaya. So anga with always regard to some pratyaya. In the context of tinganta, it is tivadi pratyaya. In the context of this kritanta, here it is shatra, shatranta. So with regard to shatra, the anga could be adanta or anadanta. Anga could be abhyasta or anabhyasta. So mixing this, we have got only, in fact, 3 categories only. Among the adanta itself, we have 2. That is 1 4 10 is one category and 6 is another category. Because sixth category, we are getting that is sixth conjugation, we are getting num optionally. Therefore, it is as though two. Anabhyasta, adantanga, divided into two. 1, 4, 10 is one category and 6 is another category. And what about the other? The other is anabhyasta, adantanga, that refers to second conjugation, the remaining dhatus, and 5, 7, 8, 9, those dhatus. And the third conjugation and 7 dhatus, which is abhyasta, adantanga. This is what we have seen. I hope you understand, right?
Yes.
The notes, it's all detailed, much detailed. Because the chart abhyasta, anabhyasta is that is why I wrote. And in fact, I didn't write before because Girija, you asked me, that's why only what is abhyasta, anabhyasta. That is why I started doing this. Otherwise, I would not have updated my notes. I would have kept as it is
Really good,
because
Guruji.
that itself is okay.
It's
Now
very
connecting to the
interesting.
chart. Anyway, that I have to retain my previous file also because that is how I taught in the beginning.
Uh-huh.
After introducing abhyasta, anabhyasta, then the chart I explained. But anyway, you don't know what abhyasta, anabhyasta. Therefore, I have to teach you that also and then the chart. Okay.
Today's
Anyway,
summarization is really now very helpful.
same thing, put it in different
Yeah.
words. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
same
right.
thing, if you tell in many words, finally, it will confuse you also sometimes. Anyway, now coming back to this exercise. Adho likitani vakyani patata. Patata what lakara?
Lot.
What lakara? What purusha? What vachanam?
Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam.
No, not ekavachanam. Madhyama purusha always be patha.
Sorry.
It is not ekavachanam, but
Bahuvachanam.
Bhagavachanam.
Madhyama Purusha
Pata,
Bahuvachanam.
pata patatam patatha. Okay.
Patata, yeah. Right.
Chatra pathanti likati. Yeah.
Patanti Chatra Likati Pat Dhatu, Shap comes in, and then Pat is now it becomes other.
It's a good exercise if you can say by this, this is Srilinga Shatranta. You can talk about the anga also. What type of anga is that?
Yeah, this is
Like
Adanta Anga because Shap has
Anabhyasta Adanta.
as a Ganavikarna.
what is that? Anabhyasta?
Anabhyasta Adanta.
Anabhyasta Adanta Anga. So Anabhyasta Adanta Anga of the first conjugation, therefore num is a must. Simple. This is the logic. Anabhyasta Adanta Anga, therefore num is a must. First conjugation. 1, 4, 10. Okay, patanti, like Nadi Shabdavat. So later you may get doubt, that's why I'm saying this. For num comes in the Pratipadikam itself, please note. Okay, num comes in the Pratipadikam. Patanti. Okay, let me ask another question. Why, what is the rupam of Patitavat?
Patitavati.
Srilinga.
Patitavati.
Tavatu, Nishta rupam of, there it is. Patitavati, right? Is it Patitavanti?
No, because there
There?
the ending is not what do you call E already joins there. That's why
No. See,
I'm not able to explain.
in case of Shatranta, for the Pat Dhatu, if you take it is Patanti, right? In the case of Nishta Rupam, Tavatu Pratyaya, the form is.
It is not a part of the Pratipadikam.
Which is not a part of Pratipadikam.
Numagama will not come.
Numagama will not come, but you see, what is the reason? Okay, let me say it. You can tell that why it will not come. Say, Pat plus Shatra plus Srilinga, right? Ni Pratyaya. So it will result in Pat plus corresponding Gana Vikarna, Shap plus Shatra plus Srilinga Pratyaya, Ni, right? So Pat plus Shap Then you have pata, and
Pata plus shap.
because of the following e pratyaya, right? Me,
Mm.
Shatra gets numagama.
Numagama.
So here the numagama because of the e
E.
pratyaya.
That's really pratyaya.
Yeah, not sarvanamastana pratyaya, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
So pat plus shap is, therefore you have pat plus a, pata, then patant, pararupasandhi, patanti. Whereas in the case of nishta pratyaya, where it is adadhatuka pratyaya, so therefore there is no question of gana vikarna, right? Pata plus tavatum.
Tavatum.
Tavatum is what pratyaya? Ugit pratyaya. Ugit will bring in num, but also will bring in num. When sarvanama sthana pratyaya follows. That's why in Pullinga we have patitavan, patitavanto,
Patitavan.
patitavantaha, patitavantam, patitavanto, patitavataha.
Patitavataha.
Now this patitavata has to be converted into Srilinga, therefore same, pat plus tavatu plus kip, this being a adadhatuka pratyaya tavatu and dhatu being a set dhatu, ittahama will come, all those things you do it. And now this tavatu, which is ugit, will get num when followed by Sarvanamastana. Is it followed by Sarvanamastana here?
No.
No. Therefore no num. That is why no num. Patitavati. Patitavat plus e patitavati, right? Patitavat plus e, therefore the form is patitavati. Now patitavati, when you decline patitavati plus su, now Sarvanamastana pratyas follows what? Now this patitavati is split again back into this. So, patitavati is equal to pat plus itavat plus
So
e.
E plus so.
Now this is ugit, right? Tavato is ugit. Ugit anta when followed by immediately by, very important, no vyavadhana, no gap, nothing should intervene. Followed by Sarvanamastana pratyaya, num will come. That is when Pullinga you get. But here
E is
intervenes. It's not followed by Sarvanamastana pratyaya. That is why in the case of Nishta pratyaya, we don't have num.
Yeah.
You understand? Whereas Shatranta, the rule itself is different. When followed by E itself, num comes for the Shatra.
Yep.
Not Sarvanamastana pratyaya. Understand? In Pullinga, Sarvanamastana pratyaya follows. In Pullinga, what? Pat plus Shap plus Shatra is Patat. Patat plus Su. Patat is the Pratipadikam, right? Patat plus Su. Shatranta followed by Shatra being Ugit, followed by Sarvanamastana pratyaya. Therefore, num comes. That's why Patan you get. Got it? Patan, patanto, patantaha. This is known, but still I am saying to comparing two pratyayas, Shatru and Tavatu. Note, okay. So why I am saying this something, this is Patitavanti or what? No, there is no Patitavanti. You say Patitavanti is wrong. There is no Patitavanti. It is Patitavati only. Patitavati, Gatavati, Kaditavati only. Whereas here in Shatranta, it is Patanti, Gachanti, Kadanti. You follow?
Yeah, Pratipadikam itself gets
num. In Srilinga, this is one point to be noted. Tavatu Rupam, no num. Here, Chatranta Rupam, num. That is what 1, 4, 6, 10. That also, you have to remember 1, 4, 6, 10, and 6 is optional. Is it clear that the differences also?
Yes.
See, differences and all, nobody will teach. Why I teach? So that clarity will be there. That's why.
True, Guruji.
So, this is all one has to explore and know. Students has to explore and know. So our teacher also will not teach all those things. First of all, we will not have time in the Gurukula. But we have to explore and know. But we have time. That's why I help you to see the difference. So Chatra Patanti Likanti. Patanti is it's the Pratama Bhakti Ekvachanama of the Pratipadikam Patanti. Where the num is there because the Anga is Anabhyasta Padanta Anga. Because the dhatu belongs to the first conjugation. Similarly, Nati Gayanti. You can put it another way. Patanti, can place it first. So that
Patanti
Chatra.
so that it is a Visheshana to the Vishesha Chatra. Gayanti Nati Nrityati. When you speak, you can always use that as a Visheshana. in writing, in the printed form, if it isn't, you can always do the rearrangement. Put it always before the
Hmm.
the Visheshya. Radha asanti gacchati. Asanti. By seeing the itself, you can tell this dhatu is asdhatu, first conjugation, therefore anga is anabhyasta,
Adantanga.
Adanta.
dantanga, num is there. Similarly, japanti mata pujayati, pashyanti, dhatu is
Drush dhatu.
Drash.
what is the nishta roopam?
Drashtavan. Drashtavati.
Drishtavati, right?
Hmm.
That also, you see, here present participle, Drishtavati denahu charati, you can say. Right? Drishtavati denahu, past participle as an adjective.
Mhm.
Here the present participle. What is the meaning? What's the difference in the meaning? Pashyanti denahu charati means
The cow.
seeing, while seeing,
see.
it graces. Drishtavati denahu charati, the cow which saw graces. Right? That's the meaning.
Oh, okay.
That is past participle. Rekha kadanti brahmati.
Khadanti rekha bhramati.
While eating,
While
yeah.
eating, rekha is
Wanders.
wandering.
wonders. See, now we are doing present participle, right? We are
Wanders.
now this Shatra, Shanach we are not seeing, we'll be seeing. This can be used as future participle also, will come later.
Mhm.
Future participle. What is the future form of the pat dhatu?
Patishyami.
Patishyati, patishyataha,
Patishyati.
patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti, right?
Yeah.
We have Shatranta Rupam. Patishyanti Chatra Likati. That is, Chatra who will be reading,
Will be.
right, will write, writes.
Right.
Who will be reading, writes. Okay, that is also possible. We are going to see it will come later. Future participle. After this. So, future, why I say future participle? Interesting. Future participle is also Adantanga. You know why? I will explain again when we read future participle, but here I am just noting, making a note. You can see what is pratyaya pat plus the first letters derive future. Lit lakara. Tingantam we will derive. Then we will see pat plus that.
Sya.
So here what lakara we are doing? Adadhatuka lakara. Future tense is lit lakara is adadhatuka lakara. So what will happen? First you need to say I am adding lit lakara to the dhatu. Lit lakara, that is future tense. When it follows dhatu, here there is no gana vikarna, only vikarna sya will come. Sya being another dhatuka pratyaya in keeping with the dhatu. That is, dhatu, if it is said, then itagama will come. Otherwise it will not come. But pat dhatu is said dhatu, therefore itagama will come. Then the pratyaya corresponding to purusha vachanam. Suppose you want to say prathama purusha eka vachanam, therefore tit. So pat plus isya plus tit, and this sakara is pratyaya sakara, that will become mudani shakara, therefore you have formed patishyati, right? So pat dhatu ho lit rupam patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti, patishyasi, patishyataha, patishyata, patishyami, patishyava. Like that it will be, right? So now, what will be Shatranta? Shatranta, pat plus lit plus, not lit, but lit Shatra. But this is future participle. Okay. First let us do Pullinga. Then Sukha to Srilinga. Pat plus. So here what happens? Pat plus. Sya will come. Isya, I'm judging Isya itself. Then Shatra. Shatra is nothing but At. Right? So what is that? Fine. What is the Pratipadikam? So Patishyat is the Pratipadikam. So you can decline like Patan, Patisyan, Patisyanto, Patishyantah. Pullinga.
Patishyantah.
That is in Pullinga. Now,
Mm.
Strilinga, what you do? Pat plus
Add ni
ya
pratyaya.
plus ya Shatra is there. Shatra plus the Pratyaya is ni.
Mm.
Now, Anga always is going to be is Sya only. Whether Itagama comes or not, Anga will be,
So,
it means Anga will be Adanta Anga.
Adanta. Mm.
Therefore, Shatra Pratyaya following that will get Num when Ni Pratyaya follows. Therefore, Num is always a must in case of any Dhatu of any Gana. Understand?
Mm. Mm.
Not only, there's no classification 1, 4, 6, 10. 1, 4, 6, 10, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, no classification. No Abhyasta, Anabhyasta, no such classification at all. You will have, because the Anga is Adantanga, therefore Patisyan the Srilinga Rupa. Understand? This is future participle. Patisyanti Radha Likati. Radha who will be reading, or Lekishyati. Who will be reading will be writing.
Mm.
Radha who will read will write.
Mm.
Patisyanti Radha Lekishyati. Understand? Therefore, Shatranta Rupam, Srilinga Shatranta Rupam, all the Dhatu, all the Pratipadikam, which from whatever, whichever Dhatu we derive, we'll have Num, because the Anga is Anabhyasta, Adanta, Anga. Understand?
Yes.
This we will see later, but anyway, I'm saying. So, pulling a that Patishyat is a Pratipadikam, that is like Patan. Patan, Patanto, Patantaha. Same way, Patisyan, Patisyanto, Patisyantaha. Understand?
Mm.
So, suppose if I take Dadatu, which is gonna third conjugation.
Third
Duplication. What will be the future tense? Da plus ya plus tit.
Dasyati.
This is simple. Dasyati. No problem here, right?
Dasyati.
What will be the Shatranta Rupam? Da plus ya plus Shatra. Dasyat.
Mm.
This is Adantanga. So Dasyat. When you decline Pullinga, Dasyan, Dasyanto,
Dasyan, Dasyanto, Dasyanta.
Dasantaha.
The Srilinga will be made Ni Pratyaya.
Dasyanti.
Dasyanti. So Num is
Dasyanti.
a must. You see, this is third conjugation. Third conjugation, we know Abhyasta. Here Anga is not. Here duplication will not happen. Please note. Duplication will not happen for future tense. Duplication will happen for the lit lakara. Lit pratyaya follows. The duplication will happen for san pratyaya, for young, for some pratyaya, not for all the pratyayas. Yes, yeah, which is the radha dhatuka pratyaya follows no duplication. Did duplication happen for ta pratyaya? No, right?
No.
Similarly, here also da plus ta we get datta.
Mm.
So duplication doesn't happen for no when any pratyaya follows. It happens only when specific pratyaya follows. Right? For the third conjugation. Okay. So you can see. So here the Abhyasta has got no meaning. In future participle, Abhyasta has no meaning. So all will be what? Anabhyasta only.
Another.
Anabhyasta, Adantanga. Suppose
Adanta.
in Srilinga, Rupam, you will have Num
Numagam compulsory.
complete. It's a must. Understand? So this also will, I think, covered in my notes. We'll be seeing at the end. Okay. Now coming back. So understand, right? I nicely confused you, right?
No, Guruji.
I said more. So that you just keep some information in the corner of your mind. Later we will see future tense, then you can connect. It's all similar. So this is covered by Panini Maharshi just in 4 sutras. You can imagine. Just only 4 sutras. The entire thing, so much notes, for different conjugation, different forms. Just 4 sutras will do the job. Sutra. Okay. Then Reka Kadanti Brahmati, we have seen. Now, Stulaksharehi Likitani Padani Shatranta Srilinge Pratama Ekavachane Santi. Okay. This is, we know, Patanti, Gayanti, Asanti, Ityadini, Shatranta, Srilinga Rupani, Ikaranta, Srilinga, Shabdavat, Nadi Shabdavat. So, Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha, Patanti, Patantyo, Patantyaha. You can note one more thing here, a Sanya. Any Srilinga Pradipadigam ending with Ikara or Ukara gets Sanya Nadi.
Nadi Sangha.
Nadi as a sanya, I'm saying. Nadi as a shabda is different. Nadi as a
Nadi
sanya.
sanya.
So sometimes I use the word Nadi sanya. Nadi sanya means you have to note the Pratipadikam is Srilinga Pratipadikam ending with Ikara or Ukara.
Rukara.
It's a name given to the Pratipadikam, Srilinga Pratipadikam. Like Panayam Magarishi. Nadi. Nadi doesn't meaning as a sanya doesn't mean river.
Mm.
Nadi as a shabda meaning river, the declension will be Nadi Nadya Nadyaha. That is different.
Mm.
Nadi as a sanya technical name given to Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga, Pratipadikam. Therefore, all the Shatranta, Strilinga, Shatranta, what derived? They enjoy the sanya?
Nadi sanya.
Nadi. Therefore, rules pertaining to Nadi will apply and therefore it will decline like Nadi Shabda. Nadi Nadyo. Here, Nadi Shabda, Nadi itself enjoys Nadi sanya. Okay. Nadi as a Shabda itself enjoys Nadi sanya and declensions in keeping with that sanya, certain rules are there that will apply. That out of our scope now, don't worry about it. It's declined. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha, Nadi, Nadyo, Nadihi, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Iti. Okay. Similarly, Likanti, Gayanti, Bravanti, Gachanti, Smaranti, Gayanti, etc. So simple. Nadi Shabdavati. Now this exercise, simple exercise. Adolekitani kriyapadani shatranta Srilinga rupeshu parivartayata. Parivartanam kuruta. Change. So patati is kriyapadam. And shatranta rupam.
Patanti.
Gayati.
Gayanti.
Likhati.
Likhanti.
Think and answer. What did you say? Okay, say again.
Likhanti.
Likdata which gana? Sixth conjugation. You have told only
Likhati.
one form.
Optionality.
Optionally we have
Likhati.
Likhati and
two forms are there. Therefore, the conjugation also you must know. Patati,
Patanti.
only one. First conjugation. Kadati,
Khadanti.
Kridati,
Kridanti.
Smarati.
Smarda to sixth one.
No. Smru. The guna has happened. Smara. First conjugation. Smru has become
First-
Smara.
Smaranti.
Smaranti. Nayati.
Ni dhatu. First one.
Nidatu. First conjugation. No doubt about this. Nayanti.
Nayanti.
Nindanti.
Nindanti.
Which conjugation is this? Vadiga. First conjugation only. Nidi. Kutsaya. Milati. Therefore, dhatu, you have to know. Milati, which conjugation? That is also. That is. See, milati is there. Okay. Dhatu cannot be mil. Sorry. If dhatu is mil. If dhatu is mil, and if the first conjugation, you will not get milati. You will have melati. Guna will have. Therefore, the dhatu must not be belonging to first conjugation.
Sixth.
So, suppose if it is fourth conjugation, then shan, ya will be there. That also not there. Therefore, neither one nor four, then it must be sixth conjugation. Therefore, two forms.
Milati, Milanti.
Yeah, here in this book, he has not talked so in detail, but we have to note. I think here you would have just said only one form, but Milati has got two forms. Okay. Karshati, dhatu is krish, undergone angakarya. Therefore,
First.
conjugation. Shatranta Srilinga Rupam Karshanti. Similarly, dhatu tarati. Taranti. Shall, first conjugation.
Chalanti.
Ratati.
Ratanti.
Bhavati. No doubt. What is the doubt? Bodhatu, first conjugation. Huh?
Yeah, first one.
Bhavanti.
Bhavanti. Atati, first conjugation.
Atanti.
Charati.
Charanti.
Gachati.
Gachanti.
In which conjugation is this?
First conjugation.
First conjugation. Gam dhatu. So gam becomes gacha. Gamlu dhatu. Vadati.
Vadanti.
Which conjugation this is?
First one, Guruji.
First conjugation. Therefore only one form. Prachati. Dhatu is prach dhatu. Prach.
Prichanti.
Prach. It has not become guna, it has become. See, this also you have to find out which gana. How do you find? It is not fourth gana. That must be clear, right?
Yeah, because
Because
yeah,
ya is not there.
Yeah.
So either must be first or
First or sixth.
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 Dhatu, originally it is prach dhatu. If it is prach dhatu, pra cannot become pr. Pra will become pr only when samprasanam happens. Samprasanam, when does it happen? When followed by kit or nit pratyaya. When followed by shap pratyaya, shap is cannot be kit or nit. One because it is sarvadhatukam pit. Sarvadhatukam apit alone enjoys nit sanya. Nit nit pratyaya, nitvam, not sanya, nitvam. That is possible only when the dhatu belongs to sixth conjugation.
Sixth gana.
Prach plus sha. Sha is the gana vikarna of the sixth conjugation. Sha is sarvadhatuka, but it is not pit, it is apit. Apitvad, it will be deemed to be nit. Therefore, samprasanam happens. That's a connection, all this connection. Samprasanam and all we have seen. But to connect everything and then see. The pratyaya has to be nit pratyaya for samprasanam to happen. If it is first gana, samprasanam not possible. Fourth gana, sha, it's sarvadhatukam, but it is apit. Therefore, nitvat bhavati, therefore samprasanam. Therefore, sister conjugation. Therefore, rupam.
Prichanti,
Prichanti, prachati.
Two forms will be there. Pashyati, drishdhatu.
Drishta. Pashyanti.
Pashyanti.
First conjugation. Tarjayati. Which conjugation? Not fourth conjugation.
Fourth.
Don't say no, because I is the 10th conjugation.
Tenth.
Not just
Tenth.
yakara. Yakara preceded by a consonant or yakara as the a is there. When a is there, then you have to note it is 10th conjugation. I.
Tenth.
A purvaka yakara. Okay. Like chorayati, kadayati, patayati, tarjayati. Therefore, Shatranta Rupam,
Tarjayanti.
Tarjayanti.
Shalayati, 10th conjugation.
Gana Guruji. Shalayanti.
Shalayanti.
Shalayanti. Then Preshayati,
10th Gana Guruji.
Preshayanti.
positive. Preshayanti. Suchayati,
10th Gana. Suchayanti.
Suchayanti. Kartayati.
10th Gana.
Kartayanti.
Kartayanti.
Either 10th gana or Nijanta Rupam, whatever it is. So, no is a must. Marjayati.
10th
Marjayanti.
Pibati. Padatu. Not 10th conjugation.
Pibanti.
So, which gana is that Padatu?
First Gana.
First gana.
First.
And the Tishtati.
Sta Guruji.
Tishtanti.
Tanti.
Tishthanti. First gana. Upavishati.
Vishtatu.
Upavishanti.
Vishanti.
Which gana?
Upa plus vish. First gana.
If it is first gana, we will become ve. Upada
Ve,
is
ve.
that's why
Sixth.
sixth
Sixth.
conjugation.
Sixth.
When
So
guna
two
has not
forms.
happened, Angakari has not happened, it has to be fourth
Sixth Gana.
gana, sixth gana only.
Sixth.
Upavishati or Upavishanti.
Or Upavishyanti.
Yatodharanam Riktasthanam Purayata. Balika Patati Kadati Api. Two actions are done. It means Samana, it's Samakalam. Patana Samakalam Kadati. So that's why we translate while reading, she writes. Kadanti Balika Patati. Now, similarly, Naika Nrityati. Jayati Api. So, Nrityati.
Nrityati Gaika.
Nrityati is Pradhana Mukhya Kriya. So that will be remain as it is. Gayati api. So Gayati is put in
Gayanti.
Gayanti, Naika, Nrityati. Similarly, Chatra Patati, Likati api.
Chatra
Kanti.
Likati.
Chatra. Patati.
This formation shows that Pradhana Kriya, Mukhya Kriya is Nrityati. That will be in Kriya, Tinganta Rupa. Another Kriya which she does, that is put it as a Visheshana, that is Shatranta Rupa. Okay. So, Gayika Nrityati, Gayanti Nrityati. So, in between, she can take some gap or rest, whatever it is. But Nrityati, she dances. Similarly, Balika Patati, she reads. In between, while reading.
Chatra Patati.
So Kadanti, she does eating action also. So Patanti, see, this is how you want to present. Which one you want to present as Mukhya Kriya, your choice. Mukhya Kriya will be in Tinganta. Rupam. The Gauna Kriya, you can put it as the put it in Shatranta Rupam as Visheshana to the Vishesha, the Karta. Karta or Karma, whatever it is, depending on the, yeah. So now you take this. Balika Kadanti Patati, right? Convert this into Karmani. There is no karma, therefore Bhave Priyaha. It will be
Patan Bali.
what will be karma?
Balikaya.
Kadantya Balikaya.
Patati.
Patati.
Patyate.
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 Kadantya Balikaya Patyate. Understand? Karmani. Mali Gayantya Naikaya Nrityate.
Nrityate.
Karma not being there, therefore Bhave Priyaha. Karma Avivikshayam Sakarmaka Api Dhatuhu Akarmaka Vata Bhavati. Patati is there, what is the object of reading not given, right? So therefore, Dhatu, even though it is Sakarmaka, Karma Avivikshayam Akarmaka Vata Bhavati. Okay, next one. Chatra Patati Likati Api.
Likhanti
Likhanti Chatra Patati.
Chatra likhanti padhati.
Yeah. Bala, Karmani Priyaha we will do later for long sentences. Bala Kridati Vadati Api.
Bala vadanti kridati.
Vadanti. Kridati.
So, Vruddha Kadati Pibati Api.
Vruddha pibati.
Pibanti khadati.
Pibanti khadati.
Kadanti Vruddha Pibati. Sorry, Pibanti Vruddha Kadati. Swamini Suchayati Tarjayati Api.
Tarjayanti Swamini Suchayati.
Sevika Marjayati Prakshalagati Api.
Prakshalayanti
Prakshalanti Sevika Marjayati.
Radha Patati Gachati Patati Api.
Patanti radha
Patanti
gacchati.
Radha Gacchati.
Sudha Likati Gayati Api.
Gayati sudha
Gayanti
likhati.
Gayanti Sudha
Gayanti sudha. Yep.
Likati. Patanti Radha Gachati. I think our bigger num is there. Sa Pashyati Asati Api.
Sa hasati
Asanti sa pashyati.
pashyati.
Esha Nindati Gachati Api.
Yesha gachanti
Gachanti Esha
nindati.
Nindati.
Gachanti Esha Nindati. Gauri Shakam Shalayati Pachati Api.
Gauri pachanti
Pachanti Gauri
shakam
Shakam
shalayati.
Shakam Shalayati.
This Karmani Priyaha. Pachati Mukhya Kriya will become
Pachyate.
Pachyate. What?
Gauri na.
Not
Gauriya.
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 Shakam Pachyate.
Okay, Pachati is,
Shalyata.
sorry, Kshalyate is Mukhya Kriya. Therefore, Kshalyate. Okay, Gauriya Kshalyate. Kidrishi Gauri
Pachati gauri.
Pachati.
Pachantya. Okay. Pachanti Gauri and put it in Tritiya. Pachantya Gauriya
Gauriya.
Kshalyate. What? Karma?
Shakam.
Shakam. Shakam is Pratamana. Right?
Hmm.
Nataki Gayati Smrati Api.
Smaranti nartaki gayati.
Yes. Mala Prachati Likati Api.
Likhanti mala.
Khanti Mala Prichati.
Tara Brahmati Kadati Api.
Khadanti
Tara
Tara.
bhramati.
Sumitra Chutati Hasati Api.
Hasanti sumitra
Hasanti
chutati.
Sumitra.
What is chutati?
Yeah. I was about to ask, you are asking me. Okay, Chutati. What is Chutati? Chutati means Chedane. This is the fourth sister conjugation, Chutati. You see, not Chotati. Chu. Upada is Rasvaik. To cut. Sumitra Chutati means she cuts a joke maybe. Asati. Chutati, Asati. Asanti, Sumitra, Chutati. Chutati means just, I think, Yeah, so chutati, chut means to chedane. Chedane means to cut.
Mm.
To cut. So she cuts, maybe she's cutting really something. So laughingly she cuts.
More
While
like a
laughing
chuckle.
she cuts. Sorry?
It's like a chuckle. Or
Huh?
it's like a chuckle, you say, no?
That's what I thought actually, but the dhatu artha is given as chedane. Chedane means to cut. Check the dhatu pata chutati. The meaning is to cut. That's the meaning. Chuckle is different. Chuckling. That is different. So chutati is, you can go by the dhatu pata. Chutati chedane cuts. She cuts. Maybe she could doing some cutting action. Okay. I go by the dhatu pata. Maybe other meaning itself we have to check. Sa gayati vayati. Vayati means she spins. Dhatu is vange. Dhatu becomes vayati. Which gana?
10th gana.
10th gana, no.
Vayati.
Fourth gana.
No. This dhatu is vange dhatu. Vange is, which is ve plus shap plus the ve is agent dhatu. So because I is there, we cannot say 10th gana. It is ve plus shap plus tip. Just ayad sandhi, no angakarya will happen. Vayati, tant santane, vange dhatu. It is to spin. Not 10th gana. If you say 10th gana, then what is the dhatu? You will have problem. I part alone, if you remove, dhatu will be vakara. Vakara alone cannot be the dhatu, right?
Yeah.
Vayati is there. T is a pratyaya. Then vaya, in vaya, aya you remove it. Then what is left out? Vakara. Vakara alone will be the dhatu. No, it cannot be. The dhatu must have at least one ach, one vowel. Suppose chorayati, if you take.
Sure.
Chorayati, T is there. Choraya, there aya, you remove it. You will have chor.
Sure.
Chor means that chur has become chor.
Yeah.
That oo is there. But here, what is there? Therefore, not 10th conjugation. It is first conjugation. Therefore, the form would be what? Vayanti sagayati. While spinning, she sings. Okay. Denuhu pashyati charati api.
Charanti dhenuhu pashyati.
Charanti.
Charanti denuhu pashyati. I think the next exercise we will do next class.
Yes, Guruji.
We'll stop here. Maybe this one small note also I will put it, the difference between Shatranta and this. Okay, so I'll stop here. I'll send you this. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad
Dhanyawad
Guruji.
Guruji.
Dhanyavada Guruji.